Oh, yeah! This thing goal! You see, man, it hit.
Into the end zone. That's 2 for Travion Henderson.
Stop playing with him. Oh, my God. MVP. Backyard football. Uh-oh. Get him out of there. Yeah, and then aim. Whoa. Come on, cuz. Oh, yeah. We on that. Guzzo is clowning. Mac Hollins.
He throws. Bolton in the end zone. Touchdown, Patriots.
Three times. No!
New England takes over.
Let's go! Shout out to the crowd. This was lit, turn. Dubs in the crib. Let's go!